Children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. Student, this is my first video of this week. Children, in this video, I will teach you the chapter 6. But this chapter already I taught you at a glance. I will recall you. So with hope you all will watch this video and again try to understand chapter 6 and the name of the chapter truthfulness. Children, as I have said, the truthfulness, it means the fact of being true. Yes, truthfulness means what you can say. Truthfulness, it means the fact of being true. And already I have said truthful. So what do you mean by truthful? Truthful, it means be honest. I have said, children, you should always speak the truth. Yes, you should always speak the truth. If you speak the truth, you will go ahead. It will help us to maintaining a peace of mind, and it also make us bold. So children, you should always speak the truth. We should never speak lie. You should always speak the truth. In this story, children, you will see how a how a king's man, and the name of the man is here King Solomon. What is the name of the man? What? King Solomon. A King Solomon. How a King Solomon saved a man who was in problem. He was asking help to Solomon. He helped him. Yes, he helped him. He was carrying a big basket, and that whenever a man was in problem, he asked help to King Solomon. King Solomon said, yes, you I have one basket, you can get it into this in down, so please come fast. At on the way he was going, enemy soon he enemy reached there and asked, have you seen a man passing by here? King Solomon said, yes, yes, he is in this basket on my head. You can check it. But the enemy did not blame me, and he said, don't make a fun with me. So at last again enemy said, please tell me the truth. Again King Solomon said, the truth is what I have told you. It means at last, by the speaking truth, king by the speaking truth, king saved the life of that my man. Yes, king saved the life of man. And I have said also, children, it means what you all have understood. You should always speak the truth. Yes, if you will speak the truth, children, you will go ahead, and also another quality will show inside of you. So you should always speak the truth. You should always speak the truth, never speak lie. So children, in this chapter I have explained again. So with hope you all have understood, and I have also said, children, you all will read and write the hard words in your copy. So with hope you all have written and word meaning also. So children, some hard word is there, you all will just speak with me. Like word is here: truthfulness, progress, success, qualities, Solomon, carrying, basket, protect, enemy, joking, believe, resumed, chase, virtue, deliverance. So I hope you all have understood very nicely, children. So now, children, what will you do? Today we all will read the question answer. We all will read and learn the question answer of this chapter. Like first question is here. First question is here. Who was truthful man? As I have said, who was truthful man? What you will say? King Solomon. King Solomon was a truthful man, and you all know meaning of truthfulness. What you will say? Honest. Who was honest man? You can say King Solomon was honest man, or you can say King Solomon was a truthful man. Understood, children? Who was truthful man? What will you speak? You will say King Solomon was truthful man. Understood? Now come to the question number 2. What is here? What can be achieved, children? What can be achieved by following the path of truthfulness? What will you say? We can achieve. What is the spelling of achieve? ACHIEVE. What can be achieved by following the path of truthfulness? Yes, we can achieve success. As I have said, if you speak the truth, children, you can go ahead, you can get success. So that's why it is asking here the question, what can be achieved by the following the truthful to what can be achieved by the following the path of truthfulness? What will you speak? You will say we can achieve, we can achieve what we can achieve success. Yes, you will uh, achieve success in your in our life by following the path of truthfulness. Children, what you will see, what you will just start, you can write here we can achieve success, and then all the things you can write from the question in our life by the from here by following the path of truthfulness. You can see from the question and you can write down in the answer. Okay, so what till there you all have to learn we can achieve success in our life by following the path of truthfulness. Understood? First question, what is the first question? First question, who was truthful man? What will you say? The King Solomon was a truthful man. Who was truthful man? King Solomon was a truthful man. Second question, number question is here, what can be achieved by the following a truthfulness? What following the path of truthfulness? You will say we can achieve success in our life by following the path of truthfulness. Yes, we can achieve success. Understood you all? Now come to the question number 3. Third number is here. What was the King Solomon carrying? What I have said, he was carrying a big basket. He was carrying a big basket. Big basket. What? Large and big. We can also say large. He was carrying a large basket. What is the spelling of basket, children? Basket. Basket. What was the King Solomon carrying? You will say he was carrying a big basket on his head. Okay. Now, next question number 4. Who came running? Who came running to King Solomon? What will you see? What will you speak? A man came running to him for help. Who came running to King Solomon? What you will say? A man who was in problem. That man came running to him for help. He was asking help because a enemy wants to catch him. That's why he was asking. He came running and asking help to King Solomon. Okay, so what will you say? The who came running to King Solomon? You will say a man came running. A man came running to help. A man came running. A man came running to him for help. Yes, a man came running to him for help. Now, as you can see, now come to the question number 5. Who was after the man's life? What will you say? You will say an enemy was after the man's life. Yes, an enemy was after the man's life. Okay, you are. So what is the spelling of enemy? E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. E-N-E-M-Y, enemy. An enemy was after the man's life. So children, one time again we all will speak at a glance. Let's see the question answer. One time again you will see. For like question is here, who was after the man's life? What will you say? A man was after the man's life. Okay children, now next one is here. Who came running to King Solomon? What will you say? A man came running to him. A man came running to him for help. Okay, now next question. Question is here. What was the King Solomon carrying? He was carrying a big basket. He was carrying a big basket. Okay, now next one is here. What can be achieved? What can be achieved by following the path of truthfulness? You will say we can achieve success in our life by following the path of truthfulness. And you all know what do you mean by truthfulness? What? The fact of being true. Truthfulness, it means you can say the fact of being true. Understood you all? Now next one is here. One number. Who was truthful man? King Solomon was truthful man. Also we can say who was honest man. You can say the King Solomon was honest man. Spelling of truthfulness also. You can say truthfulness, Truth, truth, full, truthful man. Okay. So now children, with hope you all have understood this chapter very nicely. At home what will you do? You all will complete the question answer 1 to 5 in your copy with neat and clean handwriting. Today you will write down and learn it nicely. And also you all will read the chapter 6, and the name of the chapter, truthfulness. And as I have said, truthfulness, it means the fact of being true. So I hope you all have understood. So have a good day. Thank you.